Here's some more pre-market trading for ourselves and our managed futures clients because the markets are very volatile and um, ranges of 5-minute candles are quite large. In the pre-market, even I'm only trading micro contracts, risking about 0.5% to 1% of my account and our clients' accounts on every trade. This month, we have two systems. We have one that targets 4 to 8% per month per $10,000 traded. And that's now hit its target for the month of 6%. That only costs $49 per 10,000 traded a month. And our other system, which made 12.5% last month per 10,000 traded, costs $69 a month, and it just keeps trading to make as much as it can every month. And if you want to see those track records, you can go over to our website and have a look at those, or send me a message and see how we perform every day and follow those track records. So a trade like this, if I were to use a mini contract on a trade like this, I'd be risking, $1,000 on this trade. I make $1,000 also if it's a winner, but you always have to risk a just a small percentage of your entire capital on every trade. And this is the pre-market, so things don't always play out so quickly. I'll turn this back on if it triggers. You guys can watch the trade. I mean, this may not even trigger, right? So, I mean, essentially, I'm only looking for short trades now because we've had with our algorithm that we use and our system, we've had a strong move down. So we're trying to get into our favorite trade, which has a high win rate, the breakout retest of this swing low candle. And again, if you're trading a bigger account, the risk is still going to be the same. Like $10,000 account now, um, taking a 1% risk on this trade. So if you had a $20,000 account, you'd be making or losing $200 on this trade. I could do a similar trade in this security, the micro contract for the S&P. This is $5 a point, and the risk on this, if I were to take one contract, would be $40 win or lose. So in a $10,000 account, I would take two contracts over here and, risk $80 altogether. And, perhaps if it hits the target, one of those contracts could get a runner. And that's how we make more money on the trades. But I wouldn't take both of them because they're essentially the same trade. Like if this one triggers, this one is going to trigger also. You can see that these two indices mirror each other. Sometimes what I do is I will set up both orders because sometimes one of them can trigger and not the other one. And I just cancel the other one that doesn't trigger. So maybe that's what I'll do here. And then if they both trigger at the same time, I'll just let them play out or get out of one of them. Because remember, I'm right here watching what's going to happen. So if it looks like they're both going to trigger, I'll just cancel one. Or, you know, if they give us quick profits, I'll get out of one and take those profits and let the other one run. In this case, I mean, there you can see they're definitely both going to trigger. So I'll cancel this one and play the larger one. Didn't quite trigger yet. This only got up to 18.5 and my entry is short at 19.25. So sometimes that happens. It's the pre-market. So, but again, we're not worried. There's just so many trades all day long. I mean, normally we finish trading by 12 noon. We take advantage of the volatility in the morning and the patterns that form. I had this sweet little trade in the this security yesterday where this short level formed here, it triggered here, and within 5 minutes it just moved about 40 points or 30 points, and I just got out at the end of the range. So I was and that was my day. That was just it. I just ended my day with that nice winning trade. I mean, yeah, there's other trades, but as traders, we don't want to sit here all day just waiting for trades. No trade can guarantee to be a winner. Okay, they both triggered. So take profits on one of them and just let the other one play out. Or if they started moving against me, I would have just like taken a small little loss and let the other one play out, and perhaps you could turn it into a runner. Just make sure my stops and targets are correct. Stop 7,869.5. Okay, got to adjust that a little bit. But this is how easy it is to do for us to do this for everybody. And if you do manage futures with us, your account is going to be with a registered CME broker. And all I'm doing and all my traders are doing is we're feeding these trades in real time to the broker who distributes them to all of the people who are subscribed to our different systems that we offer. We don't have direct control of your money. We're not brokers ourselves. We're just traders with good systems. And this is open to all US, this type of managed futures trading is open to all US and Canadian citizens. And, if I want to get out of this trade really quickly, I would just transmit to the broker through a private chat channel that we have set up with them. And they have a full trading desk because they manage money for hundreds of clients. Millions of dollars we're trading, doing managed futures. So this is how quickly these breakout retest trades can work once you identify the trend. And as I said, we use other strategies as well because sometimes we don't get the breakout retest. So we just have to jump into the trend, but we got to put our stop in the appropriate place so that we manage our risk and the amount of risk that we're taking for our accounts and our clients' accounts. So this one's on its way to its target of 9.75, just got there. This one is almost at its target of 869.5. You know, there's the reason I traded the NASDAQ. I mean, I didn't know which one was going to work faster, but they both kind of mirror each other. And at this point, I'd definitely be moving my stop loss, if not just taking profits if it doesn't quite get there because it's the pre-market, as I've explained to you guys in my other videos. And so we'd be transmitting to the broker, yes, move stop wherever, or just X out of the trade and take your profits. Who cares? There's so many trades. We made ourselves and our clients money. So send me a text if you want to get started working with us, either as our managed futures client, and we'll send you to the proper broker. You can open up your account, or you want to learn this for yourself and just trade your own money. I can show you how to do that, and you can do some one-on-one training with me. Yeah, it costs money, but you'll make a lot of money over the long term, and you'll have a skill for the rest of your life.